So as usual, is running a lot of delays. We do apologize for that, but we're going to get you down to Los Angeles in 1 hour and 44 minutes.
Guys, I'm bored. Okay, open it up. You have no idea what it is. I have no idea. To Taylor. Happy New Year. You got money. Wow.
Human beings are magical creatures. We can see what doesn't exist and choose to rise above what is. Unlike any other, humans can feel without having to have actually felt.
Oh my god, are you guys there?
We can share each other's pain or joy.
That didn't work out. Yeah, that did not work out. I also never started this vlog, so we're in LA. But now we're with Claire and Mads. Hello. And we were gonna go to the Squirrel. So now we're trying to look for something else to go get food.
This place called Met Her at a Bar, H Cafe.
And we're going to the Rose Bowl tomorrow. That's exciting.
Coming back, I'm gonna take what's mine. There's nobody else gonna save mine.
I think they're escorting a team in. Oh, it's our team. It says University of Oregon. Oh my god, that's sick. We're picking up our game day tickets right now at the hotel. Claire dropped us off. So let's see how fast we can get it. Where are we, Mads? Fight on!
I have a segment.
Okay. We're bored. We're trying to kill time right now.
How do I flip this? What are those Vogue 100 questions?
72 questions.
How many is it? 73?
I think it's 73.
73 questions with Kiara Madisen.
Okay, here we go.
What is the first name of the very first boy that you kissed?
Oh my god, why can't I remember his name? It was a boy at VidCon.
And his name?
I literally don't even remember the video. Peaks. The lighting's not the greatest. It's a little bright. There's 6 shades. Oh my god. I got these for Claire. What is your favorite color? Favorite color is white, even though people would say that it's not a color. Or yellow.
Kiara,
Yeah.
who's your favorite YouTuber?
Probably Margot Lee.
Why?
I think she's very smart. No. Very poised. Stop. We need some juicy. We need some juice. So now I'm the interviewer. Madisen, what was the best night of your life?
Honestly, my 21er.
That was a fun night. I was there for that.
I feel like everyone that went had.
The lighting sucks. Okay, Claire, if you had one wish to make right now, what would your wish be? Right now? I'd wish for $1 million and T1. That's just the only thing. If you had $100,000 right now given to you, what would you do with it?
I'd probably use it on school.
We're out here in the beautiful, sunny Los Angeles, California at the wonderful USC Village. I wonder if my mom. We went to Target. T1 is sitting over here. Madisen is sitting over there. Kiki is sitting over here. So T1 and I just got to our hotel. We're staying in Santa Monica. So Claire dropped us off. We left my uncle's house and now we're here at this cute little hotel. Got everything we need. We have some time to kill because we are super close to where we're gonna spend New Year's. So we're just gonna go probably to 3rd Street Promenade, maybe go to the boardwalk. Then my dad surprised us and gave us money to go out to dinner at this restaurant where he built the furniture when he was 21 years old. So we're gonna go try to hunt it down and have dinner there, but we're not really quite hungry yet because it's 4:12. We have some time. We're gonna go explore. We'll bring you guys along.
I'm gonna walk 100 miles. I'm gonna whistle all the while. If that's what it takes to make me smile.
We're in a photo booth right now. I've never seen an Urban Outfitters photo booth, so here we go.
I'm gonna run right up this hill. Summer sky or winter chill. If I gotta take a break, I will. I'm gonna run right up this hill. I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans. I'm gonna go and take a chance.
This is T1 T1's outfit, do a little outfit of the day. And I'm wearing dress from Princess Polly, necklaces from Free People, and my friend Miranda got me these little earrings that are star earrings that I'm wearing just for fun, to be festive.
White Doc
then the white Doc Martens. Our friends are at the location. We're going to the Victorian in Santa Monica, and we're gonna meet up with them. And I'm not gonna bring this vlog camera. Anything I get is gonna be on my phone. Cut to our New Year's.
I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans. I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans. You tell me, don't try it.
Hello. Good morning from the Rose Bowl. We just got our official ticket passes. We're walking right now to find a friend Kylie to go to their tailgate. And yeah, the morning's been good. We took a little detour walking. Somehow we got like separated from the entire like game day people group, and we mixed in with the people walking from the parade. So we definitely were like alone for a little bit, but we made it. Here we are.
Honestly, we'll take it as a shortcut.
Yeah, we're gonna say it's a shortcut because we missed the crowds, but yeah, we're gonna show you guys the game. We're excited. This is so surreal to be here.
Here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans. I wanna hold the whole wide world.
We're currently standing in line. This time we're an hour early because we don't want to miss kickoff. So hopefully in 40 minutes. In 40 minutes. Yeah, we have 40 minutes till kickoff. This is the line.
I was born under the sun, so I'm not so afraid of it. Made peace with all I've done, but that just wasn't enough. She's erection once or twice. Yes, I am ashamed of it. I try to keep my soul intact. What else could I have?
We're stressed.
Age 27, 28 us. And we have 1 minute left. 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. And we don't have the ball. Now there's only 1 minute left.
Go home alone. I wanna go home alone, home alone.
Yeah, let's get one. I will cherish this forever.
Home alone, home alone, oh, oh. Name the other girls. I remember when.
Guys, we're so tired. The dogs are coming off. We watched it for sure 5.
And I'm thinking more like 7 or 10.
I know. But we won, and this still was like literally one of the greatest days of our lives. Took 23,000 steps. This is probably it for tonight. We're just gonna stay here in bed.
You're still vlogging.
I'm still vlogging. We leave at 2:30, so I'm literally so tired. I can't believe we won the Rose Bowl. We need better merch. This was the only cute thing they had, so I got the sweatshirt.
This is also Kiara's.
Well, we need a sweatshirt, like a full-on sweatshirt. But
I need that one vintage one.
I think we should pre-order it. But I'm also curious what they come out with because I want something that says like 2020 champs. Good night for now. We are so tired. Let's go to X. Good morning. We went to Phil's. You went to Phil's for the first time and she approves. We both got the mint mojito. That's my favorite. And then I got almond butter and jam toast. Okay, so T1 and I found this fun little Korean skincare place called Innisfree. And we just kind of balled out. So
yeah, we really did.
We're having fun shopping and it's kind of nice to shop when no one's around. It's very calming. Yeah. We're like the only people there. We're gonna try to go to Brandy now and see if I can find anything because our Brandy at home has nothing. It's empty. It's literally empty. Guys, they took my toner that I just bought. It was $20, but it was over 4 ounces, so I didn't know it was in my bag, and it's gone now. We're here at the gate, and yeah, we made perfect timing. We're ready to go home. It's been a really, really good trip. I would say it's my best 72-hour trip that I've ever had. Yeah, we'll let you know when we're home.
Don't you know a way to make this swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night